Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you all how I have my plants arranged on my Ikea bookcases. As you enter into my sunroom, I do have two Ikea bookcases posted on each wall. Here I have the single bookcase, and on the opposite wall I have the double Ikea bookcase. So here on my double Ikea bookcase, I just have my terracotta pots mixed along with some white planter pots. And the color coordination of this particular bookcase really complements well together and mix beautifully with the green plants. Here's a close-up of how everything looks on the bookcase, and right here I'm just showing you one of my favorite shelves on this bookcase. I just love the way how the colors of the planters and the plant stands coordinate together. I also want to share that I do thrift most of my plant stands and also my planters, and that's because I like to find just very unique things to put my plants in and on. This is my second favorite shelf on this bookcase, and right here is one of my favorite planters which I got from Marshall's. And just on the bottom shelf here is where I keep just some of my low maintenance plants. So moving up here to the top shelf is where I just keep a lot of my smaller plants. I also keep my waterfall up here. Very soothing and relaxing to listen to my waterfall. And right here is my betta fish, and this is a new space for him. I've had him for about a year and a half now, and I'm just seeing how he acclimates to this new environment. And so far it looks like he's liking it. Moving on to the next side of the room is where I keep my single Ikea bookcase. And on the very top is just where I keep my massive Wandering Jew plant. As you can see, it has taken over most of the top of the bookcase here. On the first shelf, I actually just keep a lot of my propagation. And then on the second shelf is where I keep my beautiful African violet plant that has flowered for me lately. And then on the last two shelves, I just keep my beautiful calathea plants. Guys, thank you for coming along with me as I show you my plant arrangements on my Ikea bookcases. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in my comments box below. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next video.